ibanXS is the PSD2 platform for Europe. So what we're doing is we are connecting 5,000 European banks to our platform, build it ourselves with our own developers, and then enable one API for what they say TPPs, third-party providers. So payment service providers, accounting software guys, stuff like that. They come to me and they get 5,000 European banks. So to have a platform that connects all those banks, and you go to the fintech and you say, okay, listen, the only thing you need to do is connect to me, and I will connect to all those banks, but also maintain the connection. Yeah, that's perfect. So you don't have to do that. That's of course the very important thing, because for us to be successful, you need three things. First of all, a working platform. We started May last year, and in September we had our first live transaction. So that was very quickly, we thought. So the platform is working, that's one. And of course, I'm selling reach to all those banks, and everybody understands that at this moment I don't have 5,000 banks, because that's we are just starting. So we're building the reach to all those banks. And the third thing, and that's very important, and that's what you're asking as well, is the license. You need a license from a competent authority. If there are incompetent authorities, but there are not, I think so, a competent authority, and in our case that's the Dutch Central Bank. And so our compliance department is very big, and keeping compliant is very important, because if it goes wrong, the whole PSD2 project, or whatever you call it, will fall down. So we are very eager to get things compliant. The British Brexit, I don't like Brexit at all. Just come back to us and be one big happy payment family. And but the UK is, of course, with their open banking system, a little bit ahead of the rest of Europe. So we are very eager to connect to those banks as well. It's in our current reach already. Royal Bank of Scotland, all those other banks we are connected to, and yeah, we're talking to a lot of British PSPs, payment service providers, to connect. Absolutely. The first day was enormous, because David Birch was on stage, of course, as the first guy, and what was said there about open banking open banking for PSD2 was spot on. And what you now see, and the second day will be better.